Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy AD with AD Mechanic Specialist. Today we are working on a 2011 Kia Soul. We are replacing the front lower control arms along with the inner outer tie rods and the front strut assembly. As you can tell here, that's the old and new next to each other. So on my channel here, I teach you guys a little bit of what I do, tips and tricks of how to do the job that I'm doing. Or you can kind of just watch the video and see the process of what a mechanic goes through. It's not a fully detailed video of like what nuts and bolts or what sizes sockets I use and whatnot, but you get the general idea of how to do the job. And mainly the objective for this video was to show you how hard it was if you did not use this method, which is basically simply using that transmission jack stand to jack up the transmission side. And where I'm going to be pointing at here, right there, that front lower control arm bolt hits the transmission pan, and you are not going to be able to remove that bolt. So if you're doing it on the ground, you don't need a two post. If you're doing it on the ground, you jack up with a piece of wood. You put a piece of wood on your jack and jack up the transmission. And then you're going to have a little bit of room now to then pull out the bolt. And then everything else will just go smoothly. And then we'll come back to the rest of the video where you'll see me installing the bolt. And you see right there it's going to be hitting the transmission pan. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'll see you guys toward the end of the video. Later. Okay, we have just installed the bolt, and that's me playing with the transmission jack stand. But if you see, I'm going to be pointing here at the bolt. You see how close it's actually? I lowered the jack stand so you can see. You get an idea of how low it is and how it meets up right there with the transmission pan. And we are at the end of the video. We made it. Congratulations to me and you guys for completing the job. Hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned on the playlist. And it's your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.